Hi all, today we will see common operations on data frame in DataBricks. Before going to common operations, first let us understand real-time project flow. As you can see, ETL, it means extract, transform, load. Now we are going to do the operations in this layer, transform or process. Here we will apply all the business logics like common operations, Windows operations, aggregations, joins, even removing null values, duplicates, and changing column names, dropping duplicates, uh, adding new columns. All the business logic we will apply in this layer. After that, after processing, we will load into destination. It is sync. It may be Amazon S3, SQL, Azure SQL Server, or Oracle, or Data Lake Gen 2, or Delta Labels, whatever it is. Finally, we will load into destination. It is called sync. Now we will see one by one common operations. First, we will see select operation. What all are we can do with the select operation on data frame in Databricks. Login, Databricks workspace. Now it is loading. Give your credentials. Now it is navigating to Databricks workspace. Go to the notebook. I created one notebook here. First we create the cluster to execute the notebook. I'm taking default values, create cluster. It will take some time. Now our cluster has been created. As you can see, my cluster is there. Now we can use this cluster to our notebook to execute our notebook. Go to our notebook. First we run the all cells to get the data frame. Now it is executing. Earlier we have created a data frame. We read the file called sample data.csv. Now our data frame has the data. You can see here. Now we will implement our common operations on data frame. Create new cell. Df dot. First we will use select operation. Select column of all columns, column dot show. Now we will get all, it returns all the columns because we gave count star. Control plus enter to execute. See, we got the error because of we did not import the library which has functions. Now we will import the library, then we will execute. From PySpark dot SQL dot functions. Import star. Now we execute this cell. Select operation returns all the columns of data frame. Execute cell. See, we got all the columns. To get the proper way, use display. Display function of Control C. Execute cell. I think I added C. We got the result. Now we have seen select operation. Right, we will see only listed columns using select operation. Go to our data frame. Df dot select. We will choose particular columns. I need only first name and last name. I will add only first name and last name. First name, comma, last name. Sorry. Now execute the cell. Control plus enter. See, we got the result. It returns the select operation returns only first name and last name. This is the way we choose particular columns. If you want all the columns, just give column of star. We get all the fields. If you want particular fields, give the column names inside select operation. Next we will see drop operation. We have seen select operations, how to use this. Now we will see drop operation. Go to the notebook, df dot sorry df dot drop function. We use drop off which field we need to drop. I will show you now how to drop. Suppose I want to drop gender. Gender is not required. Copy column name. This is our property. Gender. We drop the gender in our data frame. Dot show. Now execute cell. Let us check whether gender field is there or not. It should not be, right? Employee ID, first name, last name, salary, date of birth, age, country, department ID, date, and Date of joining, manager ID, currency, end date. Gender is dropped in this data frame, right? Next, we will see renaming of column name. Go to DataBricks, add another column, df dot. How to use data frame using rename. We will provide with the column rename method. With the column, see, as you can see here, with the column renamed, existing existing one, then new one we will give new name. Existing column, suppose I don't want last name, I just want L name. How to get it? Last name. Copy this word, within the quotations we should give this last name column. We are going to rename it. New column name, L name dot show. Execute the cell. With the column name missing one required position argument and new. With the column renamed. What is this error? Let me check. Type error. With the column renamed. Last name. Okay. Control. Enter. I missed the comma. That's why we got the error. Now we will see the output, whether it is a last name or L name. We changed last name to L name of column name in the data frame. See, first name is there. See the output L name. It came L name. To see clearly, we use display of Control C, pasted. Now execute cell, Control plus enter. See, as you can see, L name came. Earlier it was last name. Okay, next we see the adding new column to the data frame, and we will assign some data to the that new column. Go to our DataBricks, add new cell, df dot with the column name we should provide, and we are data we will new column name we should provide here. New column adding. Okay, and we will give the data. We will provide first name data to this field. After executing, you will understand. First name dot show. Execute cell. We got the error. Syntax error, invalid syntax, line 1. Df dot with the column we added bracket extra here. Now execute the cell. Not a column. Argument column 1 should be a column. Got str. Column should be call should be a column. We need to add call function. Col. Now execute the cell. Sorry. Let us check whether added or not. Our column name is our new column name is new column adding. See, new column adding. Sorry. We will see using display of execute the cell. While parsing line 2 unexpected while parsing display with the column okay, already it is added, right? Column adding 2. I will execute the cell. Display of df with the column new column name unexpected end of while parsing command line 2. Error is unexpected UIF. It is closed. It is also closed. We need one more closing bracket. Closed. Now execute the cell. See, we have added a new column adding to with the data of first name data we added. If we add one column, we need to add data also, right? For this we added. As you can see here, sorry. See, new column name adding. We added data of first column. We assigned here. This is the way we need to create a new column and data on data frame. Next, we will see casting. We will change string type to integer. Go to our DataBricks, add new cell. If you see df dot print schema, already we have seen earlier lectures. Print schema, we can see data frame schema. Execute. See, string employee ID is string, first name is string, last name is string, gender string. It is taking everything as string. By default, it will come string. So now actually we need to add a data type as integer type, right? It is a number we will provide. Employee ID is a always number, right? So it should not be a string. It should be a integer. So we will cast this employee ID data type. Df dot with the column department ID, call of department ID casting integer type. Here we are passing department ID, casting using VRC. As you can see here, we are using cast. Type is integer type, but original it was string type. So now we will change as integer type. Execute cell. When it added two drops, remove drop. Now execute the cell. Execute the cell. Department ID should be integer. See, now we got the department ID int. For casting, we need to provide integer type or string type, however you want. You can add corresponding function. Now we have seen select operation, drop method. We have seen rename. We have seen adding new columns. We have seen casting. We have seen. Now our data frame is ready to load. This is how we use common operations. That's all. Thank you.